Good morning. Today's May 18th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Castro Valley, California. Alright, so let's check out what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so we have this bathtub here that we're going to be refinishing today. It's in really bad condition. There's a lot of scratches everywhere. It's worn out, and then we have some big chip here that's really rusted, so we're going to have to repair this. Also, they have this little surround area here that we're going to be refinishing as well. And the sink and tile top here. Sink's in bad condition as well, just worn and worn out on the bottom here. Alright, so this is the refinishing project for today, and this is definitely a full day to fully prep and refinish this. So we'll follow up once we're done. Okay, so we finished up the bathroom here in Castro Valley. Let's have a look. Alright, so here's the vanity top, the backsplash there, the sink. Here's the bathtub, damage repaired. It was pretty bad. It was really rusted. Big chip there. And the surround. Really unique tub here. It's cool looking. Alright, so there we go. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.